Next question number 2. Means which question? Exercise 8.3. First question B. Calculate amount and compound interest on 18,000 for 2.5 years at 10% annum compounded annually. Listen, here we use formula. Do you know formula? Then first we can write what is P? P is equal to 18,000. The next R is equal to 10% per annum. The next N is equal to 2.5 years. Then formula amount is equal to P into 1 plus R by 100 whole raised to N. Then here look what is P. We can write P is equal to 80,000 and one fixed number plus R 10 by 100 whole raised to N. N look, this is 2.5 years. So here 2.5 years. First we find out the 2 years compound interest. Half years not to find out using of this formula. So first we find out 2 years. 2 years compound interest. Is it clear? Then half year balance last. Let us see how to solve. Then is equal to 18,000. Then what is the simplest form of 10 by 100? Simplest form of 10 by 100 look means 1 by 10. So 1 plus 1 by 10 whole raised to 2. Then we can solve inside the bracket look. 10 into 1 10. 10 means we add this two numbers. 1 plus 1 by 100 means 1 by 10. Then first denominator different. So convert 10 take as a common denominator of this two number. Means 10 into 1 10. 10 plus 1 11. So look, we can write into 10 plus 1 11 by 10 whole square. Do you understand this step? Look, 1 plus 1 by 10. This 1 has no denominator. So which number? 1 is the denominator of this 1. So here 1 and 10. What is the common denominator? 10. Then this its 1 is changed into 10. So look here LCM means LCM we take as 10. So this one change into 10. So denominator multiply by 10, numerator also multiply by 10 plus 1 by 10. So what is its answer? 10 by 10 plus 1 by 10. Then look, its answer 11 by 10. Then 11 by 10 whole square. Then 18,000 into 11 by 10 whole square means how many times? 2 times 11 by 10. This 0 cut, this 0 cut. Then what is here? 180 into 11 into 11. Then look, 11 into 11 121 into 80. 8 16 carry 1. 8 ones are 80. 8 plus 1 9. Then 1 into 1 1. 1 2 2. 1 into 1 1. 8 7 1 2. So what is 21,780 means here 10 also 80. Then what is amount 2 years after amount 21,780. The next step here 1/2 year balance. So we find out the simple interest. Simple interest of this how many 21,780 for how many years? For half years. Then next simple interest on $21,780 at 10% per 10% Then on simple interest on 21,780 at 10% per annum for how many years? Half years. So look 21,780 multiply 10 by 100 into half year into half year. Then this 0 cut 0 and this 0 cut. Then balance 2,178 divided by 2. So what is answer? Answer 1 0 17 how many times? 8 and what is half year simple interest for 21,780. What is interest? 1,089. Then we can write next the amount after two and a half years. 2.5 years after what is amount is equal to 21,780 plus this interest 1,089. Then what is total? 21,780 1,089 9 6 8 2. Then 22,869. 2.5 years after amount 22,869. Then what is compound interest? Compound interest is equal to amount minus P. Here amount, what is amount? 22,869 minus P. What is P here? 80,000. 80,000. Then 22,869 minus 18,000. Then what is answer here? 9 6 8 then 4 then is equal to 4,869. Listen here, here we use formula. Then 2.5 years after amount 22,869 and Its compound interest 4,869. Then